As tensions escalate following a convoy of trucks going up in flames on the Myanmar border, China's military takes decisive action. It announces combat training activities near Myanmar border. Myanmar state media labels the incident as an insurgent attack, triggering a meeting between Chinese envoys and top officials in Myanmar's capital. The talks focus on addressing recent signs of strain in their bilateral ties and maintaining border stability after the flames on border with Myanmar and China has gone up. China's military initiates training activities to assess the rapid border sealing and fire strike capabilities of its theater troops. The Southern Theater Command, a crucial segment of China's People's Liberation Army, disclosed this information via the WeChat messaging app. While the statement lacks specifics on troop numbers or timing, the military junta in Myanmar was informed about the drills earlier. According to Zhou Mintan, a spokesman for the military junta, the exercises are intended to maintain stability and peace along the border and are in line with China's policy of non-interference in Myanmar's internal affairs. Junta spokesperson said in a statement, and I quote, "The military tie between China and Myanmar is firm and collaborative between both armies and is friendly and building up." The flame that engulfed the town of Muse on Friday, November 24th, add to the challenges faced by Myanmar's military, which was seen a loss of control over multiple towns and military outposts. This unfolding situation marks the military's struggle against the most significant coordinated offensive it has encountered since seizing power in the 2021 coup. As the region grapples with these developments, the town of Muse becomes a poignant symbol of the border challenges confronting Myanmar's military junta. Stay tuned for continued coverage and analysis of this evolving situation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.